Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide lock screen notifications content in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Suppose if you have enabled lock screen notifications for some particular apps. For example, here I have put lock screen and I am getting YouTube notifications over lock screen. Okay, so for such notifications, suppose content will be visible. For example, if you have enabled lock screen notifications for WhatsApp, okay, if you have included WhatsApp there, if your friend or any other person message you over lock screen, that message will be showing. Okay, that is called lock screen content over lock screen. That is notifications content over lock screen. Okay, so if you would like to hide those content over notifications only, you want notifications on lock screen. Okay, because some other persons may read your message. Okay, may read your message that you receive. Okay, so if you would like to hide content only, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications, and here select lock screen notifications, and here it is selected as show content for some particular apps. Okay, so those particular apps, if receiving any messages or update, that will be showing over lock screen, and any other person may see those content. Okay, if it is sensitive content or personal information to you, other person may read it. Okay, so but you only need notifications. You have received notifications but don't show the content, then you go to select the second option, hide content, so that content will be disabled but you will alerted that you have the notifications. Okay, so in this way you can easily hide content over lock screen for some particular apps. Okay, here if you select this button, all content will be disabled. Okay, irrespective of which app you are receiving the notifications, that's not matter here. Just all notifications content will be muted and hidden. Okay, but you will receive notifications alert over lock screen. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.